for nearly a bit, here for the Professional Dog Grooming Academy. And today I'm going to provide some tips how we can make dogs more comfortable at the groomers. As an owner, what you can do is you can start socializing and handling the dog from a young age. What do I mean by this? When you get your pup, get the dog accustomed to different feelings on different areas. What I mean by this is play with the puppy's feet, play with the puppy's ears, scratch the little tushy behind, and reward him for good behavior, as these are the areas that groomers will mostly work on. By getting your pup accustomed to the feeling and being touched in these areas, it will make grooming much more easier for them. From the owner's side, they can make a positive association with the whole grooming experience. When you take your dog to the groomers, make it fun. Take them for a walk before they go to the salon, or place their favorite toy inside the car on your way to the groomers. Please just make sure that you drop off your dog with an empty bladder, as nobody enjoys a little accident on the table. Groomers, introduce your grooming area and equipment slowly and gradually for newcomers. What I like to do for newcomers is to schedule a short introduction session. This allows me to meet mom face to face and introduce myself to the dog client, allowing the dog to get used to my scent and my presence. Thereafter, of course, I would give him a healthy treat for positive association. Owners, this one is for you. Regular brushing. By regular brushing, your dog gets used to the whole brushing motion and experience. This also maintains the coat and skin condition, making our jobs as groomers much easier. I mean, owner, groomer, or dog does not enjoy being shaved down to look like a naked sheep. I'm talking about those matted coats. You know, the matted coats after winter. This one is for groomers and owners, introducing the grooming equipment that you will use in a non-threatening environment. The owner can do this at home with brushes, nail clippers, and groomers, we can do this at our grooming salon. If I have a nervous client, I like to switch on the clippers first, placing the clippers on the dog, allowing him to feel the vibration and hearing the sound, acknowledging that I'm not trying to kill him. I mean, there's nothing scary about this, right? This will allow you to familiarize the dog with the various equipment that you will use. Start with short initial visits, but more frequently. This way the dog can get accustomed to the whole grooming process. This brings me to the next step. Owners, make it a positive experience. Provide them with treats or toys or just a good snuggle after their grooming session. That way they will know, grooming equals walk outside, walk in the park, or a delicious treat. Here's another tip to get a dog comfortable at the groomers is to provide him with a comfortable scent. What do I mean by this? Ask the owner to bring with one of his favorite toys or even one of her t-shirts. That smell will trigger the feeling of being comfortable, calm, and relaxed. A homely smell. Who does not enjoy that? Groomers, give breaks. I know things can get crazy during summer times with all the shaving, but if you see the dog is showing signs of stress, stop, take him out to relieve himself, rehydrate, and you, as a groomer, breathe. As dogs can feel our emotions, and being stressed is not going to help the whole situation. So, breathe, stay calm, and groom on. Owners, this is a big one. Please do not make a dramatic goodbye at drop-offs. I mean, what you are placing in our hands are a little nervous fur ball, and that is not fun. So when dropping off your Fifi, just come with a calm, relaxed manner, hand them over to us, and walk away. We are pros, we've got you, we know what we're doing. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a comment in the section below. Send us some suggestions of content that you would like to see next time, and we're here to educate. So send us all your questions via our social media channels or even straight direct to me via email. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe and like button if you've learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Stay fabulous.